Data is generally grouped into two sources. We have what we call primary and secondary data. My option one here, which is surveys, polls, focus groups, etc. The example of primary data. So what is primary data? Primary data is data that you get directly from the source. When you carry out a survey, you're getting first-hand information from the participants of that survey. When you carry out a poll, how many of you like this? Focus groups as well. So a focus group is any group that is targeted towards a particular cause. So whatever information you're getting from there is always going to be first-hand. That's what you mean by primary data. So secondary data is data that is collated from, say, different primary sources and made available to others. It might have been processed to an extent or not, but it is not directly from the source. Example in 2, 3, 4, and 5 is an example of secondary data. So when we talk about data extracts or data download, that is data that you're handling. So an example is a CSV file. If you go to, say, the World Bank Open Data platform right now, and you are looking for happiness index data, once you download it, that's a data extract, that's a data download. It's a CSV file that you can use for your work. Another source of data is a database query. So you have an existing database and you write some SQL command and you generate a table view. That data is secondary data because you accessed it from somewhere. And now to the more interesting bits, API queries. That is, you're sending a command to a particular interface and asking it to give you some data that you require. That is another source of data. Then the almighty web scraping. It's not this big, scary thing. It's basically saying you're going to the web and scraping off data from it. So think of it like you're eating, you're scraping the plates. That is what web scraping is. You go to the web, you scrape some data off of it. How are we going to be doing that? We'll be doing that using HTTP requests.